The Mrcool DIY 12K BTU 4th Gen ductless mini-split system promises simplified installation, and today we're diving in to see if it lives up to the hype. This 1-ton unit boasts impressive energy efficiency with a 22 SEER and 11.5 HSPF rating, meaning it's Energy Star certified and should save you money on your energy bills. The unit itself is relatively compact, measuring 16 inches deep, 26 inches wide, and 36 inches high, making it suitable for a variety of spaces. The big selling point here is the DIY aspect. Mrcool has designed this system with pre-charged lines and quick connect fittings, theoretically making it easier for homeowners to install themselves. While professional installation is always recommended, this system aims to empower those comfortable with basic DIY projects. We'll be taking a closer look at the installation process in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. Beyond installation, the unit offers both heating and cooling functionality, making it a versatile option for year-round climate control. A 12,000 BTU cooling capacity should be sufficient for smaller to medium-sized rooms. We'll be testing its performance in various conditions to see how well it maintains temperature and humidity levels. We'll also be looking at noise levels during operation, both indoors and outdoors. The Mrcool DIY system comes with a competitive price point, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. However, the real question is whether the DIY installation truly simplifies the process and whether the unit delivers on its performance promises. Stay tuned for our follow-up videos where we'll put this unit through its paces and provide a comprehensive assessment of its capabilities. In the meantime, let us know in the comments if you have any experience with Mrcool systems and what your thoughts are.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.